program is given and we will have to obtain that how many blocks are there in the flow graph for the given program. So first of all, this particular program will be converted into 3 address code. So 3 address code will be, my first statement will be f is equal to 1, whatever the initialization I am doing. Second statement will be the first initialization of my for loop, that is I equals to 2. After that, in third statement, that particular condition I less than x will be checked. That means if I less than x, then I'll have to execute this particular program. But if this particular condition will be false, then I will write like if I is greater than x, then go to the statement which is my last statement of this particular 3 address code. So I have just changed that I less than equals to x, less than x, as if I is greater than or equal to x, then go to the last statement. The fourth statement says that f is equal to f multiplied by I, that is the statement of this for loop. After that, in fifth statement, I will have to increment the value of I for this particular for loop, this one. So I is equal to I plus 1 I should do. For that, first of all, I'll have to compute my I plus 1 into some temporary t1, and after that I'll have to copy it back to I. And seventh statement should be go to my statement number 3, just because in for loop we know that when for loops statement will be executed, then again the condition will be checked. So again I have written go to number 3, so again this particular condition will be checked, and at the last 8th statement should be go to my calling program. So here I should write go to number 8. When this particular condition will be true, that means according to my for loop the condition should be false, then I should go to the statement number 8. So now if we will break down this particular program into blocks, then this will be my block number 1. Block number 1. Block number 2 will be my condition, just because it should be in separate block. So this is block number 2. When this condition will be true, then my complete block number 3 should execute, this one, or the last statement is my block number 4. So if I'll go for the flow graph, then the flow graph will be very easy. B1 should be executed. After that, block number 2 should be executed. After that, I am having two possibilities. Either I can go from block number 2 directly to block number 4, or to block number 3, and from block number 3 I'll have to go to block number 2 itself. So there are 4 blocks and the answer is equal to 4.